Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting with essentials. Identify the TV audio port and power the Bluetooth transmitter. Plug the transmitter into the matching output, 5 mm for headphone jacks, RCA adapters for composite, or optical for higher fidelity. Once connected, turn the transmitter on and put it into pairing mode. Many have an LED that blinks rapidly. You do this so the TV sends audio to the transmitter rather than speakers. Make sure volume on the TV is moderate so you can confirm audio during pairing. Now pair the external device. Put your headphones or speaker into discoverable mode and watch for its indicator. On the transmitter, confirm it's actively discoverable. Some units auto-search while others require a button press. Once the headset appears in your device list, select it and wait for a paired confirmation tone or steady LED. If audio isn't heard, go into TV audio output settings and choose the external output or set digital audio to PCM. This ensures proper format negotiation between TV, transmit. Finish by checking sync and sound. Play dialogue-heavy content and confirm lip sync. Use TV delay or transmitter low latency mode to fix lag. If audio stutters, power cycle both devices, repair them, and move the transmitter closer to the receiver. Make sure firmware is current for both transmitter and headphones when possible. A key troubleshooting tip: if you still have dropouts, eliminate interference, move routers, cordless phones, and microwaves away, or change the transmitter's channel if the unit allows it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.